Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and today I've got something special here with me. This is the Dalibor mini Draco in a full dress. I need to thank my buddy Oscar for lending me this guy for a review because this is a truly special one. This is an integral bolster lock with a beautiful Dragonskin Damascus blade and Daltanium scales. This is a 6.2 inch long knife when open and 3.9 inch when closed, so pretty compact. It's like it has a pretty sick recurve blade, with this crazy grind. It has Dragonskin Damascus blade, Dragonskin pivot, and just overall fantastic. I mean, the clip, the scales, it's just crazy. The sound it makes is like this. It's super solid, like very nice one. The weight in the pocket is going to be 5.7 ounces. Clip is just a beautiful, look at this. Come on, guys, this is just fantastic. There are no hot spots. You can choke it up like that very nicely. It's really smooth. It's not like the fastest knife ever, but it's great. I mean, this is just a true stunner. But if you want to know more, please check out my full-length review on this one. But thanks for watching and stay tuned.